So I know this is a weird way to be starting a video, but I think I'm gonna do a realistic day of my life. It is currently 17 in the morning. And I believe I'm going to go back to sleep, but I'm getting back on YouTube. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Content creation is going to be my life. Entrepreneurship is going to be my life. That's what it's going to be. So, okay. So, I'm gonna just give y'all a little update on my life. Yes, I am still working. I have been in shambles. The last video I posted of me doing my hair, I was in shambles. I was so sad, depressed, everything, y'all. I was down bad. So I'm just now getting into the groove of things again. I'm just now getting to myself. I'm just now getting to like being comfortable with being on the camera again or talking to people or anything. I'm just now getting okay with it. I'm not gonna say I'm good with it, but I'm just saying I'm okay with it. So this is not gonna be too bad. I am gonna wake up and install a wig probably, or just put a wig on. Who knows? I gotta go to work today. I have to go to work today. Yeah, so as you can see, I keep yawning. And I don't want the whole video to be like this. If you get what I'm saying, like in the dark, no lighting, me in the bed, curled up. But I think I'm definitely finna go back to sleep. So I'll call you guys back. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm about to try to install this wig. This is one of my favorite wigs. I just did a shorts on it, so go check it out. But now we're gonna relay it. I'm gonna do a time lapse. It's not a tutorial. It's just a day in the life, a realistic day. Okay, y'all, so I did my hair, but I do not like it. I don't know what I did wrong, but it's just not giving like the first time I did my hair. I think it's because my part isn't where it needs to be, or something just isn't flat. But you know, it don't matter. I don't even care. Long as my hair is done right. Long as I look like something. And I do look like something. I do. What the fuck is... See, I look like... Then my edges not staying how they supposed to be staying. And it doesn't matter. It's okay. Because you can't really see that side. But, yeah. So now I'm going to freshen up this wig that I did for a client last year. She just never got the wig. So it been sitting in a little storage thing. So now she wants the wig. And I'm going to try my best to ship her this wig before I go to work at 3. Y'all don't want to know what time it is. It is 1:30. Oh. It's only 1:37. I thought it was 1:59. Anywho, it's only 1:37. So the wig is going to get shipped out. Because I already took a shower. I already did my hair. I just got to put some clothes on. Oh Jesus. Anyway, I just gotta put some clothes on. My hair is done, so I just gotta figure out if I'm put some lashes on. You know, just trying to see. I'm so sorry about that noise. I guess they're building something downstairs and they need to stop. Cause I'm trying to record a video. And they've been building for a good little minute, and it's pissing me off. But, you know, who am I to tell them to stop building in their own house? Anywho, y'all. So, I know I just come back like nothing ever happens. But like I told y'all earlier, I was depressed. And when I say depressed, I mean depressed. I'm not talking about no little, I'm sorry, the light finna be off for a little bit. Because I gotta see the wig. But I've been, like, not myself at all. Like, I didn't want to talk to nobody. I didn't want nobody to see me. I didn't want to post. Like, it was that bad. Like, I was just done from like life, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I felt like nothing was going my way. I felt like nothing was in my favor. I felt alone. I felt defeated. I was hurt. I was everything. Everybody. I don't know. It just wasn't giving, if you get what I'm saying. Like, Jesus. Y'all, my lace is not lacing. We're gonna see if I can cut some of this shit off without cutting myself. I don't even care. It's a lace. It's a lace. You're going to see it because guess what? It's a lace. You know what? I heard about a little hack. We're gonna see if this shit work. This hack on TikTok, this girl, she just grabbed some glue and put it like directly on the lace, on the little edge part that be showing. I don't know. I didn't know what to do in my life. I felt like, okay, everything is just falling down now. But I just felt like everything was not working out in my favor. And I'm pretty sure, you know, it was fudge. There was a reason stuff was happening like that. I mean, I'm still going through it right now. Just not as bad. I'm just learning how to, you know, deal with it more. But I have to learn how to put God first and put myself first. Well, put God first and put myself next. That's what I had to learn how to do. I'm not going to sit here and say that I'm doing that right now. But I'm saying everything is a work in progress. Everybody is a work in progress. So you can't be so harsh on yourself. As long as you're trying. Now, if you ain't trying, get it together. But if you are trying your best, just know it will get recognized. It will. And everything you're going through, you're soon to realize that everything does happen for a reason. Like, you know, everything does happen for a reason. And you realize that it's better to go through it when God wants you to go through it than to prolong it and avoid it, because it gets worse and worse as you don't go through it. So this is the wig. Very much side part. Nice little 18-inch. I did cut it a little bit, but I think I'm gonna give it some quick little curls because it's almost 2 o'clock. Now it's really almost 2 o'clock. I'm spraying glue, wax, spray wax. If I want it to be crisp and not move and not be too oily, I use my spray wax because it just works better than wax. Wax itself really make your hair real oily, and once your hair is oily, you can't go back unless you got dry shampoo or something. And I don't have it. I do not have the dry shampoo. So yeah, we're gonna do some quick curls in it, and we're gonna ship it off today. Cause yeah, she been asking for it for like a week now, and I have just been extremely busy, and she has been extremely understanding. So I'm just gonna ship it out today, and it should get it. It might get her tomorrow, or not tomorrow, Monday, and not Monday, Tuesday. So yeah, we're gonna do these inch curls. I can move y'all back up. You just over here now, so my lighting can be better. So I'm gonna show y'all the little process that I go through with shipping off, and you know, stuff like that, just so y'all can see. This is my lemon lime water, y'all. Get into the lemon lime water, cause why not? Yeah, I haven't plugged these up in God knows how long. I need some smaller ones. These are like 1 inch. I mean 1/3/4. I need a 1 inch or 3/4 inch. Not no 1/3/4. So I got my scanner with my, it's not a scanner, it's a weight. And I got my pink poly miller, and we're just gonna put the wig inside the pink poly miller because yeah, it's not gonna fit in that box. The curls are probably gonna drop, but it's okay. It's still like tamed enough for her to like. Okay, so I'm back. My mom had called me, and I got the sink running because I'm gonna go brush my teeth because we're running a little late. So I ship with Pirate Ship. So I put in all the stuff. I weighed my package. It's 5.3 ounces. Her address is at the top, but I'm not showing y'all. Yeah, y'all probably can't see. So it's $3.99. So we're gonna, let me cut my card on right quick. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Buy label. As soon as I buy the label is bought. Okay, it came out my account. Lock the card. I'm gonna print at USPS. So I'm finna go and like, you know, get ready for work right quick, then you know, would. There's always a hater somewhere in the fucking building. But I'm at work. I'm at work right now. This is T. Hi. My name is T. And I don't talk like that for real. Oh, you want me to get the camera out? Yeah. Okay. Hi, everybody. My name is T. Damn, you got this shit close as fuck. Turn it the other way, T. It's a YouTube video. It's the phone. She's gonna edit that out. My name is T, guys. I've said that 3 times now. And I'm ready to get the fuck out of here. That's all I got to say. I'm ready to go because we're not doing that thing. Oh, your TikTok? Oh, my TikTok, my Instagram, and so my TikTok. I don't even know my TikTok name. Unsweet Tea? It's just Unsweet Tea, ain't it? I don't know what your TikTok name is. Your phone is right there. Let me see, y'all. This is how I'm holding the phone. First of all, friend, why you on a tripod? I left it at home. Oh. I forgot to bring it. Let's see, y'all. I'm gonna just show y'all because I ain't finna. Y'all, I ain't get no ending. I ain't get no outro. I ain't get nothing. So this is what y'all gonna get. Me with my wig off, once again, laying in the bed. Mind your business. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a nice little quick little short video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell because the notification bell is the best map in the nation. Period. Anywho, see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.